what London, when the weather change, you gotta prepare for it because the weather drops quickly in the night. It gets a little bit much darker when it comes to the winter. Yes, there's still a lot of activities that takes place regardless of winter, and that is telling you that the country runs 24/7, and as many boroughs continue to clean up. This is London King's Cross, one of the most busiest as you can think of. A lot of activities, a lot of work goes on here. These are the bin truck. Many people continue to also work night shifts. But one thing is, London doesn't get tired. London doesn't get tired at all. It gets to be very, very busy. This is the A40 King's Cross, extremely busy location. A lot of activities taking you into Westminster, West End as well. And as you can tell, this is also has one of the most unique when it comes to the transportation. You can travel easily from point to point from this part as well, and this is what makes London unique. And this is why many people would love to travel down here for business, conference, seminars, study, live here, visit, because the transportation system is one of the best in the world. And as someone that have lived there for 24 going to 25 years precisely, one thing is you will get home safely, whether you're going on the London Underground, whether you're traveling on the overground, whether you're going on the public, the Uber or the black cabs. That is the subway there, as you can tell. So wherever you're going, you will always get the best out of London, and this is what makes it a very unique place as well. Once again, remember to get your hat because the weather could get a little bit nippy.